Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the missing Enter key on your Samsung keyboard. Let's get started. If the Enter key is missing on your Samsung keyboard, or if you're experiencing other issues with the Samsung keyboard, there are a few things you can do to fix the problem. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now tap on the search icon in the top right corner of the screen and search for Samsung keyboard. When it appears in the search results, tap on it to open the app information page. Next, scroll down and tap on Storage or Storage and Cache, depending on your device. At the bottom of the screen, tap Clear Cache first. This removes temporary files that may be causing the keyboard to malfunction. After that, tap Clear Data or Clear Storage. Then confirm by tapping Delete or OK if prompted. Don't worry, clearing the keyboard data won't delete your personal files, photos, or apps. It simply resets the Samsung keyboard back to its default settings. You may need to reconfigure any custom keyboard settings afterward. Once you've cleared both the cache and data, go back to your home screen and open any app where you can type, such as Messages or Notes. Tap on a text field to bring up the Samsung keyboard and check whether the Enter key has returned. In most cases, resetting the keyboard data resolves issues like the missing Enter key, unresponsive keys, keyboard glitches, or other unexpected keyboard problems. If the issue still isn't fixed, restart your Samsung phone and check the keyboard again after it powers back on. That's it. That's how you can fix the missing Enter key on the Samsung keyboard. Thanks for watching.